awesome sauce that you can use not only on your lamb burgers, but on your falafel, on fried fish. While we're there, I'm going to show you a really quick, really easy, and insanely delicious sauce. Not just for lamb burgers, you can put it on hummus, you can dip vegetables in it. So many great things. We're going to make a little garlic yogurt. So look, this is plain yogurt. This is not Greek yogurt. This is full fat, regular probiotic yogurt. I'm going to break out the old garlic press. I don't use it very much, but I don't want any really big pieces of garlic in here. So we're going to squeeze one moderate sized clove of garlic into this, okay? Boom, there you go. Simple enough. Now we're going to take a little bit of lemon, fresh lemon. This is a pretty big lemon. I usually say half a lemon for a cup or so. But let's see. Yeah, a little lemon juice like so. Pow, that's good. I'm going to take a little bit of this delicious KESH seasoning that is in the meat. We're going to put a little bit, about a half a teaspoon right into there. And we'll take a little bit of the fresh mint that we have left, a few leaves, maybe 3 or 4 leaves. I'm making about a cup here. We're just going to give this a quick mince. Now you can get fancy, you can put cucumbers in here, you can put tomatoes, you can put mango, but I'm just making a delicious, awesome sauce that you can use not only on your lamb burgers, but on your falafel, on fried fish, on anything you like.